Friends, I am Dr. Sujit Ghosh. Welcome to my channel, Dr. Ghosh Presents. Signs, symptoms and uses of HOMEO-REMEDY Aesculus. Full name Aesculus hippocastanum. Short name Aesculus. Common name horse chestnut. Source tree, vegetable world. Spheres of action of Aesculus acts on veins of lower bowels, pelvic organs and portal system, causing engorgement. Pathogenesis. Aesculus produces general venastasis, making parts purple, puffy. Everything is slowed down: digestion, heart, bowels. In addition, it produces feeling of fullness in internal parts, producing heat, dryness, stiffness and roughness in throat, nose, anus, etc. Constitution of Aesculus. Physical makeup of Aesculus. Adapted to person with hemorrhoidal tendency, suffering from gastric, bilious and catarrhal ailments. Temperament: irritable with despondent mood. Miasm: sora in the backdrop. Hot or chilly? Chilly. This is the image of this horse chestnut tree in sapling form. Mental journals of Aesculus. Gloomy, miserably irritable, lose temper easily and gain control slowly. Lose temper easily and gain control slowly. Unable to fix his attention. Wake up in the morning with confusion of mind and bewildered. Physical journal of Aesculus. Flying pains all over. Hot like lightning. Fullness in various parts. Sensation of heat, dryness, roughness, stiffness in anus, throat, nose. Back aches and gives out, making them unfit for business. Liver and piles are seats of engorgement. Many symptoms produced due to deranged liver and reflex from piles. Causes venastasis, making parts purple, puffy. Varicose veins become purple. Note this picture. Varicose vein. This is varicose veins. When the veins are tortuous, thick, and enlarged, varicose veins, and colored purple, the reddish. Digestion, heart function, bowel movement, everything slow down. Modalities of Aesculus. Worse: morning after rising from motion, lying, stooping after stool. Urination, cold air after washing in water, winter standing. That is, all this, from all these conditions, the patient gets worse. Peter, open air, bathing, bleeding from piles, kneeling, continued exertion and summer. Head. Bruised pain from occiput to frontal region with flashes of heat over occiput, back and shoulders. On the right hand side top, note the skull bones. Here occipital bone is called occiput. This is the occiput. This green bone, this is occiput, and frontal, this portion is frontal bone. So there, bruised pain. Eyes. Eyeballs feel heavy, dull, hot and sore with lacrimation. Nose. Sensitive to cool, inspired air. Rawness. Sensitive to inhaled cold air, causing burning, rawness and fluent coryza. That is watering from nose. And sneezing. Obstruction of nose due to hepatic disorders. Hepatic disorder, that is from liver trouble, obstruction of nose. Mouth. Caldate feeling in mouth and tongue. Tongue thickly coated, salivation, cannot control tongue to produce words correctly. Taste sweet, bitter or metallic. Teeth as if covered with oil. Throat. Follicular pharyngitis, connected with hepatic congestion, violent burning, raw sensation in throat with dryness and roughness, prone to swallow, difficult frequently with burning, pricking, stinging and dry constricted fauces. Hawking of ropey mucus of sweetest taste. Now look here, here that's been already discussed. This is the picture of follicular pharyngitis. These are the follicles within the pharyngitis. Pharynx is this portion. The picture is not red, so it is very difficult to understand. Anyway, just note this. This is pharynx, so seen, and there are follicles also seen. This is tongue. Tongue and this arch of what is called? It is called actually pharynx. The pharynx, arch of pharynx and tongue. This space is called fauces. This fauces constricted. These are constricted. Stomach, as from a stone with gnawing and aching pain about 3 hours after meals. Heartburn and vomiting of food after eating. Desire to vomit with constant distress and burning. Abdomen, throbbing pain in abdomen, hypogastrium and pelvis. Note, on the right hand side, the 9 quadrant of the abdomen has been shown. The abdomen has been divided into 9 quadrants. The name of the quadrant are given below. This is hypogastric region or hypogastrium. Hypogastrium actually related to pelvis. Just beneath or at the back side of hypogastric region lies the pelvis. Tenderness and fullness in the region of liver. Rectum, dryness beating within. Feels as if full of small sticks. Knife-like pains shoot up along rectum. Blind, painful, burning. Parlous piles, which bleeds rarely. This is piles. Various types of piles. Internal piles, external piles, grade 1 piles, grade 2 piles. These are not bleeding piles. These are blind piles. Sore with fullness, burning and itching. This is constipation. The rectum skin or rectum, the content of rectum, the muscles of the rectum, etc. are sore with fullness, burning and itching. Constipation with hard, dry stool, difficult to pass. With heat of rectum. There is heat in the rectum. Stool followed by fullness of rectum and intense pain in anus for hours. Backache. Severe dull backache in lumbosacral articulation. This is the picture of lumbosacral articulation. This is lumbar vertebra. This is sacral vertebra. Down portion sacral, upper portion lumbar. This junction is called lumbosacral articulation. Severe dull backache in this region actually is lying on the back side just above our hip. Urinary symptoms of Aesculus. Frequent scanty urination. Urine muddy, dark, hot. Male genitalia, discharge of prostatic fluid at every stool and urination. Female genital symptoms, backs give out during pregnancy. Give out means severe back pain. Prolapse uteri and acrid dark leukorrhea with lumbosacral backache. This lumbosacral backache is there. Along with that, prolapse uteri. The picture of prolapse uterus is shown here. Great fatigue from walking, sensation of heaviness and lameness in back, constant throbbing behind symphysis pubis. Extremities, paralytic feeling in arms, legs, feet, spine, aching soreness in limbs, hands and feet swell and become red after washing, spine feels weak. Sleep, disposition to stretch and yawn. Complementary, carbovage, lacasis, muriatic acid. Related medicines, aloe, collinsonia, pulsatilla, ignatia, muriatic acid, naxbom, sulfur. After collinsonia has improved piles, Aesculus often cures. Useful after sulfur and nax have improved but failed to cure. That is, sulfur used or nax used, partly improvement is there. To complete the cure, you can use this medicine, Aesculus. Now, with this, the video ends. The video ends here. Thanks for listening and viewing. If you got anything to say, please write down in the comment section. I would certainly respond.